High-Devent Residence, a residential transformation by APPAREIL Architecture in Saint-Jean-sur-Richelieu, Quebec, Canada. This project reimagines a typical catalog house into a luminous, contemporary home calibrated for a growing family. What distinguishes this residence is not only its new spatial organization, but the way design orchestrates light and form throughout the interior. Situated in a quiet suburban neighborhood, the project began not as a fresh build, but as a thoughtful intervention on an existing prefabricated structure. Instead of demolition, the architects preserved the home's original bones and reconfigured its interior to accommodate evolving family needs, adding bedrooms, refining circulation, and integrating new functions like a double garage previously absent from the site. Central to the renovation is the relocation of the staircase to the front of the house. This shift liberates the main floor's open plan, creating a fluid sequence of living spaces that naturally interconnect. The redesign fosters a stronger relationship between indoor and outdoor zones, particularly toward the backyard, an intentional contrast to the previous spatial divide that fragmented daily activities. Light plays a pivotal role in shaping the architectural experience here. Strategic skylights, side windows, and rear openings are carefully composed to draw daylight deep into the home while also ensuring privacy from neighboring lots. The front facade remains relatively closed, shielding intimate spaces from the street, while luminous punctures beyond animate the interior with subtle variation throughout the day. The interior palette is restrained yet warm. Natural wood floors, mineral-textured tiles, and soft grayish tones create an environment that feels calm and cohesive. These muted materials not only enhance the home's serene atmosphere, but also unify the varied spatial experiences across levels, from shared living zones to private quarters. Architectural interventions extend beyond structure into custom millwork and built-in furnishings. The void left by the original staircase becomes an organizing element, balanced by solid storage volumes that house practical functions like entry storage and a powder room. Throughout the residence, bespoke elements, from shelving transitions to integrated headboards, reinforce a sense of unity and detailed consideration. Finally, the residence maintains a thoughtful dialogue with its environment. A covered veranda and backyard design offer refuge and seasonal engagement with the wooded edge of the property, while the exterior cladding of wooden slats at varied widths visually lightens the home's expanded mass. In this way, Pied Devent demonstrates how architectural transformation can respect context, enhance lived experience, and renew an everyday suburban house into something spatially rich and quietly refined.